Jared from Team 3667.
Hi, I am Macy and I'm here with
Enzo.
So Enzo, what are you working on right now?
Well, right now in graphic design, Gavin and I are working on finalizing the t-shirt design and conceptualizing banner designs.
Well, that's cool. So how long have you been on the team?
This is my 4th year on the team, so I've been here for quite a while.
Yeah. What are your thoughts on this year so far?
Well, I think we're doing really well this year. In my sub-team specifically, we're getting a lot of good ideas done. We are coming up with a lot of fun stuff. It's really cool. And I'm observing that everyone else is also doing really well, staying on task and getting a lot of work done.
So this year is Star Wars themed, so who is your favorite Star Wars character and why?
Well, my favorite is a fairly uncommon character. It's Darth Revan, and he's my favorite just because of his intriguing backstory and his story path from Jedi to Sith. It's really cool.
Hi, Macy, and I'm here with
Jared.
So Jared, what is your role on the team?
I'm on engineering notebook for my primary sub-team, and then for my secondary sub-team, I'm on scouting.
That's cool. How long have you been on the team?
Well, I've been on the team officially for 1 year, but I've been around the team since it started in 2011.
What are your thoughts on the year so far?
I think we're making really good progress, and that if we keep progress up right now, we're going to have a really good robot, and I think we can go to Worlds again.
Yeah, I think that's possible too. No? Our theme is Star Wars, so what is your favorite Star Wars character?
Definitely Jar Jar Binks. He's just he makes a whole series on what people think, but he's just really funny and it's easy to laugh about.
Thanks for watching Season 7, Episode 6, Nightly News. My name is Macy, and we'll see you next time.